NORA is indeed a game changer in the sense that it replaces traditional mechanical rotating antenna with electronically scanned antennas. Once installed, it basically improves your uptime because there is virtually no maintenance needed. There's no moving or rotating parts. The game changer in that respect is that there will be significantly lower support costs and operational costs, whereas in the capital expenses, we aim to sell it at similar prices as the traditional rotating antennas.
On a technical level, NORA has two major advantages. Why it is such a game changer. Because we have everything under electronic control, we can create multiple different operational modes. In its most simplest form, NORA creates a rotating beam, a virtual rotating beam mimicking a mechanical rotational antenna, which does a full 360-degree scan in 4-5 seconds, depending on the system we're trying to mimic. However, since we have everything under full electronic control, we can create different operational modes. We can create more than one beam. We can create two beams, which can be a back-to-back beam to update or to double the update rate to give to the supplier. However, in more complex scanning modes, that second beam can be used to look at a target of interest or a sector of interest to even get more updates or a faster update rate or more information of that zone of interest, just to be able to give even more information and better information to the customer. The second major advantage of the NORA system is that all of the electronics are now in the antenna instead of downstairs underneath the tower. This decreases the distance between the antenna element and the radar itself, which gives it an advantage in sensitivity. This combined with an advanced ASRM system, which has advanced processing modes, just allows us to bring even more sensitivity into the system to update the quality of data which goes to the output. NORA is not just an idea. The conceptual design started 7-8 years ago, and we started with NORA IFF, better called today under the name LISA. And this LISA technology has actually been accepted by the German Navy and is being installed on their frigates right now as we speak. So it's not an idea anymore. In R&D, we're now working on porting that LISA technology to land-based primary SSR, PSR systems to be conformed to civil aviation standards. Obviously, there we have to comply to regulations like Eurocontrol and ICAO, which are obviously different than the military standards. And we're making good progress on that one, and hopefully in the coming years we'll be able to get those systems in that market.
We are in discussions with leading air navigation service providers as well as industry partners to introduce NORA. Obviously, introducing a new technology is challenging, but we feel confident that we are close to those customers to make sure that it does meet their requirements. So we get a lot of positive feedback from potential end users as well as the large radar prime companies to integrate this technology into their radar systems.